Hello Patrick, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for the 2011 Can Am Spider, kilometers 34,249, and the price is 11,788 plus HST and license. This Spider is the category RSS, like you can shift the gear with the clutch. This Spider has been safety and certified. Has brand new tires, front and rear, and also has a Bose stereo system that you could plug it in your iPhone or your iPod for music, and you control by the keyless entry. This Spider also comes with highway pegs. If you look at here, and saddlebags, removable. This is like a briefcase. You take it when you travel. You take it to the hotel with you, and also you have for the back a backrest for the passenger. This one, if you need it, you could leave it on, or if you don't, you can remove it. We do have the cover for that. The unit is available, so if you have some time, you see you're coming to see me tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.